The gentle rhythm of the waves meets the endless blue of the summer sky, painting a picture of perfect tranquility. Towering white clouds drift lazily above, their soft reflections shimmering in the emerald depths of the coastal waters. In the distance, the majestic silhouette of Mount Fuji rises, a timeless sentinel guarding the horizon under the golden sun. Its peak stands proud against the crisp, clear atmosphere of a Japanese summer day, evoking a profound sense of peace. Along the edge of the sea, the rhythmic click-clack of metal on rail signals the arrival of something truly nostalgic. A mint-green vintage tram appears, its retro design a charming contrast to the natural grandeur surrounding it. It moves with a graceful, slow pace, inviting us to leave our worries behind and embrace the slow journey. Through the windows, the sun-drenched coast passes by like a series of beautiful, living postcards from a forgotten era. Beside the tracks, delicate pink blossoms sway softly, dancing to the melody of the warm summer breeze. Each petal captures the brilliant light, a fleeting reminder of the beauty found in the smallest details of nature. There is a unique stillness here, a quiet nostalgia that whispers of simpler times and sun-soaked memories. As the afternoon light softens, the landscape is bathed in a warm, ethereal glow that feels almost like a dream. The retro tram fades into the distance, leaving only the sound of the wind and the scent of the sea. Whether it's the mountain or the sea, Japan's summer scenery remains a timeless sanctuary for the wandering soul.